In a decisive moment that intertwines the fate of past and present political strategies, the Federal Appeals Court upheld the conviction of Steve Bannon, a longtime advisor to former President Donald Trump, for contempt of Congress. Bannon, who played a crucial role in the post-election period leading up to the January 6, 2021 Capitol attack, faced charges for refusing to comply with a subpoena issued by the House Select Committee investigating the incident. Despite Bannon's legal team's efforts to overturn this outcome, citing advice from counsel and invoking executive privilege, the court's ruling underscores a firm stance against willful defiance of congressional mandates. Bannon's legal argument, centered on the counsel's advice and a claimed directive from Trump himself, was dismantled by a three-judge panel, emphasizing that neither could excuse the blatant failure to adhere to the subpoena's requirements. This ruling mirrors a broader legal consensus, as seen in previous cases like Peter Navarro's, that executive privilege does not grant unconditional immunity from legislative scrutiny. The detailed opinions from the judges, hailing from diverse presidential appointments, reinforce this narrative, showcasing the judiciary's critical role in maintaining the balance of powers. The stakes of Bannon's defiance, alongside Navarro, in the so-called Green Bay sweep plan to challenge the 2020 election results, illustrate a broader pattern of attempts to undermine the electoral process. By failing to provide testimony or documents to the January 6 committee, both men underscored the tensions between executive secrecy and congressional oversight, a conflict that now finds resolution in the realm of legal accountability. Beyond the immediate implications of Bannon's conviction, the case throws into relief the complexities of legal strategies employed by Trump's advisors in the aftermath of his presidency. The repeated invocation of executive privilege, the advice of counsel defense, and claims of immunity have tested the judiciary's patience and interpretation of long-standing legal precedents. Bannon's legal journey, with potential further appeals to the full D.C. Circuit Court or even the Supreme Court, signals a critical juncture in the broader examination of January 6 events and the responsibilities of those involved. Simultaneously, the legal saga unfolds against the backdrop of ongoing investigations and trials directly tied to Trump and his circle, including separate charges against Bannon related to a fundraising campaign for a border wall. These layered legal challenges reflect not just the personal battles of individuals like Bannon and Navarro, but also a deeper inquiry into the mechanisms of power, accountability, and resistance within the American political system.